Top him.
It's moving.
That's the first time it came down the water and moved. Thank God.
It's actually moving.
And there's one up there flashing on and off, by the way.
I'm just filming this one and it's actually moving.
Whoa. Jesus.
It's actually moving, this thing. It's coming down.
What?
Aye.
What is? It's getting low.
It's getting lower.
Here, it's getting low. That honey boy. You're just through the back.
Right there, let's stop.
Whoa.
Behind the tree.
Aye. Thanks. Look at it going red and on me. That's low. Still blowing anyway. Definitely caught them.